Here's the community update that I gave on Sunday, November 6th to allow my community to know what lines I felt are most important and where I thought Ethereum and Bitcoin would pull back over the weekend for a setup to Monday. What we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you very quickly what I gave on Sunday and then how prices interacted with these exact lines. I'm going to pull up the live chart and make the candles move on it so we can see how this worked. So on Ethereum, the only thing that's weird here is you see where my cursor is moving, higher low target number. It was supposed to say number 2. So you can see here, I'm going to make myself small. That had 2 major pullback areas and conditions to be on lower high watch. So if the bottom of the blue box is broken, Ethereum price would have very likely gone down to 1390 and then made a lower high over this week. So probability flippage at the blue box, but also blue box was the number 2 target, or the second target for a reasonable higher low and bullish pullback over the weekend. Going down to Bitcoin here, very simple chart. You have projector tool 45-degree angle, where crypto and Bitcoin love making higher lows, and then your probability threshold between these 2 white lines. Make sense? All right, now let's see how Bitcoin played with that. And how well, this might have helped the community or any community members over the weekend if you were pissing around with trading. And I started this playback exactly where, well, maybe not to the exact 15-minute candle, but exactly where I made that community alert. And there's price right now. So Bitcoin is still, honestly, in a higher low. This is still pretty bullish, specifically to Bitcoin. And now let's do Ethereum. Again, I have not moved these targets. There we go. So that's pretty solid right there. The lines for Bitcoin and Ethereum seem to be becoming more predictable right now. And I just gave another alert on how to have thresholds, how to understand current thresholds. So my Monday alert that I've already given out helps people understand why predictability is increasing, why thresholds are even more important right now than typical, because in the recent past, Bitcoin was just flopping around, right? I don't think it's flopping around right now. I think things are crystal clear, and I gave my whole community even how to front run before to front run an upside move, or what charts to look at off of Bitcoin, how to front run a downside move. The downside move would be you'd front run that with Bitcoin CMEs, and I'm not going to explain how to do that here and what I was looking at, but that chart. So looking at a different chart to front run Bitcoin/crypto for a downside move before it's officially triggered, and then how to front run an upside move on Bitcoin and crypto using specifically Ethereum. And I will give you that one. It's this blue line. Shit's going to start moving up once Ethereum gets above that blue line. That's when it's going to go. It might not go aggressively, but things will start inching up that are ready to go up. And that is your follow-up of how I helped help keep everybody over the weekend who was trading crypto within the community safe with lines, and how prices interacted fairly precisely with what I got going on. See you next time.